Hi, it's VS Tarot. Hello, Sagittarius placements. This is your general situation in love and the person on your mind reading bago mag-end. Ano bang meron bago mag-end ang April? Okay? Siyempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre, kung may tanong pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun rin pagdating kay Perception of Light and sa mga naghahanap ng healer, kay Kuya Dingsi po tayo pwedeng mag-message. Okay? And syempre, pagdating sa ating mga items is all available. Yung ating protection from evil eye. So, we have ring, bracelet, okay? Bracelet, necklace. Meron din tayong necklace. Okay? So, yeah. Hindi ko na masyadong ipag-flex. So, yung ating love bracelet, ito naman. Okay? So, and yeah, si Granter. Si Granter is made to order po, ha? Okay? And, itong ating pang-cord cut. So, yan po, ha? Okay. So, sa mga tanong pa, kung meron pa kayong mga ibang tanong, just message us. Okay? And yes, be patient pagdating sa paghihintay ng reply. Kasi isa lang po admin ko. Okay? Iisa lang siya. Everyday. Meron tayong 1,000. Oo, 1,000 na messages na pumapasok. So, hanggat maaari po, ha? Okay, maging pasensyoso at pasensyosa. So, anyway, thank you. So, let's start the reading. Okay. What's for you in general, Sag? What's for you? Pasensya na po ha sa boses ko kasi I'm still recovering. From ubo and sipon. Okay. So, in general, anong meron? Sagittarius placements. Bago mag-end ang April, anong energy surrounding Sagittarius? Okay. Ace of Pentacles in reverse. What's with that? Nine of Pentacles. Unexpected money coming in. Okay. There's this unexpected money. Yeah. Nandito yung parang sabihin natin financial help. Unexpected. Some of you, may chance na parang gagastos. Para sabihin nating may maipakita. That's general. Okay? Gagastos para may maipakita. Hindi ko alam kung ano yun. Yeah, this is material things. So what else? There's this somebody admiring you. Could be an earth sign. Six of Swords. Okay. And the Queen of Swords. Parang merong legal matter o legal issue na parang tatakbo muli. Okay? May chance dito ng may makakapasa in general. May makakapasa. Hindi ko alam kung ano yun. So, what else? Yeah. Hindi ko na i-clarify kasi yeah, this is general. Page of Wands in reverse. Talaga meron ditong somebody na into you. They're just watching you. Seven of Swords. Yeah, they're watching you. They're silent every time na nandyan ka. Okay? Some of you have to keep your plans protected or secret. Okay? Keep it a secret. Parang kailangan mong hindi mo na ibunyag kung ano man yung mga plano mo hanggat hindi pa na-execute. Yeah. Six of Cups Universe. May mga mabibiter. May mga may inggit. Okay? The Nine of Cups Universe. Yeah, the Hermit. Hanggat maaari, wag mo munang sasabihin kung ano man yung mga gusto mong gawin. Okay? In general, kung ano mga gusto mong gawin, gusto mong mangyari, wag mo munang ipagsasabi. Ayaw nating mababati, no? Mababati yung ating plano, yung mga gustong gawin. Sarilinin muna natin. Mas maganda. Yeah. The Queen of Wands. May mga ano eh. May mga BITCH. Anyway. Hang on. Tayo magkape ng kauntian. It's early. So, tayo tumungo naman. Alam mo, may channeled message ako. Some of you, makakarinig kayo ng balita pagdating sa third party. Hindi ko alam kung anong meron. In general, about third party. Don't know. Okay, so, bago mag-end ang April. So, what's for you naman pagdating sa mga situation in love? So, anong meron? What's surrounding sa Sagittarius? Pagdating sa love. Anong meron? Energy, situation, let's see. Sag. Bago mag-end ang April. Oh, the Sun in reversed. How are you? Some of you might be dealing with a Leo. Or may chance na may hindi magandang nangyayari ngayon pagdating sa love life mo. Okay? In general, the Sun is in the reversed. Meaning to say, that's sadness. Confusion, I think. Okay, what's with that Sun in reverse? Knight of Swords. Some of you, parang may nagbebeg dito ng conversation or action from someone. Yeah, the Nine of Cups, the Five of Pentacles. Meron ditong nagiging needy. Four of Pentacles. But this person is holding back conversation. Some of you are still holding on to this one. You're just keeping like silent. Andun yung energy na meron ditong tahimik kasi ano eh. Andun yung pain. Andun yung, yeah, hindi ako makapagsaya kasi hindi maganda yung situation namin ngayon. Page of Cups. Meron ditong humihingi ng ano eh, ng conversation about mag-sorry ka naman. Sana mag-sorry ka na. Nandito lang ako. Parang ganon. The Ace of Cups in reversed. So, sa mga naghihintay dyan, no, ng sorry mula sa taong to. So, may chance na hindi mo pa rin makukuha bago magandang April. They're not open. They're not available emotionally. Some of them, they're just too selfish. Okay? Too selfish. Hinahayaan na lang. Yeah, the Three of Swords is here. So, may chance ng breakup dito. Talaga. So, sinasabi na parang mag-focus ka muna sa sarili mo. Ace of Cups in reverse. You're not healed. You have to heal. Sinasabi rin dito na parang hindi mo kailangang i-hold back or mag-hold on into something na parang sa tingin mo nagbibigay lang din naman ng negative energy sa'yo. Okay? So, kung kailangan mong patawad kahit hindi ito nahingi ng patawad sa'yo, then just do it. Kasi hindi ka rin makaka-move on or makaka-move forward kung hindi mo gagawin. Mahirap yun, Miss Pia. Yeah, alam ko yun. Alam ko yun. Okay? Pero, yun lang yung sabihin nating simple way. Kasi kung hindi mo gagawin, ikaw rin maapektuhan. Yun. Okay? Yun. Kung hindi ka matututo na magpatawad kahit hindi sila nahingi ng patawad sa'yo. Yeah. Kasi magkikip ka ng galit. Okay? So, ano ba yung galit? Low frequency yon, low vibration. Ayaw natin yun. Okay? So, there. So, what else? Ano pang meron? Situation ng mga Sagittarius in love. Anong meron? Temperance. Okay. There's this waiting, being patient. That's you. This is your energy. Having balance. That's balance. The Three of Cups in reversed. Sagittarius. Huwag ka mag-settle sa bare minimum. Don't settle for less. Don't settle for less. Some of you, yung kakonect mo is merong alam mo na, it's already committed. And some of you, ikaw yung third party. This is specific, so may chance na hindi makaka-resonate yung iba. So anong meron? You're being patient. Being patient. Six of Cups in reversed. Nakaka-trauma to. No? Nakaka-trauma to. Strength. Ito yung mga situation na parang nilalaban kahit hindi dapat. Naghihintay kahit hindi dapat. Yeah, the Chariot in reverse. Wala pong patutunguhan to. Okay? Walang patutunguhan. Just be the Queen of Pentacles. Some of you. Ikaw itong talagang nino-nurture, no? Yung connection na meron kayo. Anyway. So, hindi mo raw kailangan na mag-settle for less. Hindi mo rin daw kailangan na maging pasensyosa sa mga bagay, sa mga sitwasyon, sa mga tao na parang alam mong paulit-ulit ka na lang dinidrain. Okay? So, it's like, every time na gusto mo nang i-give up, andyan yung parang babawi ng kauntian para ikaw itong okay, mag-hold on pa rin ako dito. Parang ganyan. No? The Chariot in reverse. That's the outcome. No progress. It will cause you delays. So, yeah. So, for me, ikaw yung kailangan gumawa na ng action dito. Pero, yeah, some of you, mas pinipili mo talaga na maging pasensyoso or pasensyosa sa sitwasyon. I don't care kung ikaw yung third party or kung ikaw yung legal dito. Pero, walang patutunguhan to kung ano man. Kung ano man hinihintay mo, because you're waiting. Some of you, you're waiting for an answer, waiting for somebody na talagang mamimili. I don't see it coming. Okay? I don't see it. Wala akong nakikitang gagawa ng pagpili. Wala akong nakikitang gagawa ng magandang decision. So, it's like, meron kasi ditong tumatanggap lang ng tumatanggap. Okay? Yeah. Some of you, may anak kayo, kaya kailangan mong maging magkaroon ng mahabang PC. Kahit gaano pang kahaba yan, darating at darating sa punto na mauubos yung PC mo. Opo. Yeah, the 4 of Swords, the 10 of Swords. Kailangan na ng pahinga to. Kailangan na ng pahinga. See? The Lovers and the 7 of Wands. Can you see? Saying no. Maybe this time. Diba? Mapapakanta tayo. Maybe this time. Ikaw naman itong pwedeng gumawa ng decision and say no. No. Okay? Some of you are just silent. You're too silent. Anyway, so tayo muna sa person. On your mind. Excuse me. Yes, may ubo tayo. O, diba? Ubo tayo. Kailangan. Anyway, sorry. So, Sag. Anong meron? The person on your mind. What's with them? Sino ba to? Anong meron sa kanya? Sagittarius. 7 of Cups. Oh, they have options. They have options. The 9 of Wands universe. You don't trust this person, don't you? Alam mong player type. Okay? Alam mong player type. There's this immaturity na pwedeng meron sa kanya. Yeah, the 10 of Swords. Ilang beses na kayo pwedeng nag-break nito. Ilang beses na kayong, nag-break. Pwedeng chat. Okay? Some of you nag-break kayo nito, yun nga, through chat. Iba sa inyo talaga, ilang beses na nga, on off. You don't trust this person anymore. You don't trust them. You can't. Pero, the 9 of Wands is here in reverse. I don't know. Some of you pwedeng sinukuan mo na. Ano bang meron sa situation? The 9 of Cups in reverse. Oh, nagkaroon ng codependency. Ang hirap nito. Yeah, ang hirap nito. 10 of Pentacles in reverse. Gusto mo yung person, pero hindi kaya. Yeah, the 9 of Swords. Yeah, 2 of Pentacles. Somebody. Meron ditong option. Itong taong ginugusto mo, okay, pwedeng committed. Or meron talaga siyang, sabihin natin, may pagka non-committal. Pero na-attach ka. Ang hirap nito. Yeah. So, there's this energy of codependency. Some of you, tingin mo sa taong to na siya yung parang pinakagusto mo na hindi mo makuha. Okay? It's like, the 9 of Cups universe, that's somebody like unfulfilled. Unfulfilled. Pwedeng alam mo, Sag, na may iba siya. Or talagang may family. Pero parang sinukuhan mo na, no? Sinukuhan mo na to. Let's see. What's their emotion? Emotion. 10 of Wands. Burden. Feeling burden. 4 of Pentacles. So, kung ano man, sabihin natin, mahirap din sa kanya yung situation. Opo. I don't know, Sag, kung ano man yung mga nangyaring hindi maganda or break up na nangyari sa inyo, I think hindi rin naman niya yun gusto. Yun nga lang ang sitwasyon ang nakikita ko ditong dahilan kung bakit kayo nagbe-break. which is the pwedeng kakonect ng taong to. Pwedeng may kakonect kasi talaga siya eh. Mahirap sa kanya. Mahirap sa kanya yung situation ngayon. Sa maniwalat ka at sa hindi. Kinikip ka pa rin niya. The Fool in reversed. Kung ano man ang meron sa kanya ngayon, parang pumaplano na lang siya ng maganda. Ang magandahan sa ngayon. Okay? The Nine of Pentacles. You have here 999. Angel number 999. Some of them, they're focusing on their work, career. Okay? Finances. They still like you. Gusto nitong mag-commit sa'yo, sa totoo lang. Pero they can't. Sinasabi ko na kung anong meron. I don't care kung anong meron sa sitwasyon niya. Kung anong kailangan mong malaman eh. Yun ang sasabihin ko. Okay? Hindi tayo sa parang pag-good girl dito. Ano? Kung anong meron, kung anong kailangan mong malaman. Hindi porke meron siyang kakonect. Kaya sasabihin ko, hindi ka na mahal nito. Dapat ganito. No. Okay, so let's see, what's their next action towards you? Next action, bago magandang April. The Hanged Man in reversed. So, it's like, okay, i-release, parang ganyan. The Five of Pentacles in reversed. Ito yung parang binibitawan ka pero ang hirap. Kasi yun ang kailangan. The Five of Pentacles. Kahit sabihin nating open siya, gusto niya na magkaroon pa kayo ng another chance. The Five of Pentacles. They need you actually. They need you. See? Yun nga lang eh. Meron ditong legal. So maybe kung anong kailangan, yun ang gagawin. Okay? Yeah, the Ace of Pentacles in reverse. Pero yeah, they feel a missed opportunity with you. Feeling a missed opportunity. You don't trust them. Kasi yun nga, pwedeng may ka-connect. Hindi ka, yeah, you have, you don't have, peace of mind over this. This is so stressful, sa totoo lang. Stressful. Okay. So, you won't hear from them. Being practical, I think, in person. Yeah, the Eight of Swords in reversed. Gusto na ng peace of mind. Malamang sa malamang, wala kayong peace of mind nung kayo'y magka-connect. Ang daming ganito, ang daming ganyan. Lalo na kung alam mo itong taong to is kasama pa niya yung person. Yeah. Yes. Let's see. What's the potential outcome? Bago mag-end ang April. Advice na rin kung meron. Six of Pentacles in reversed. The Moon in reversed. The Ace of Cups in reverse. So, wala ako nakikita na pakikipagayo. Some of you are still healing maybe, or you have to heal. Okay, nakabaliktad ang Ace of Cups mo. Ace of Cups, that's the energy of self-love. Kung makikita natin, okay, pouring love sa sarili mong cup. Okay, so, longing, aching for each other. Yun ang nakukuha ko dito. Yeah, death. It's like, maybe this is like the final, putting the final nail sa coffin. Okay, it's like ending. I think. So, parang napaka-unfair na sa sarili mo kung ikaw itong, or sa sarili ninyo, pareho kayo. Kung kayo ay still nag-crave for each other, longing, sad. Wala tayong magagawa. Some of you, lumalabas kayo sa panaginip nito. Pwedeng ikaw, pwedeng siya din. Yeah, the Queen of Wands in the first days of Pentacles. Some of you talaga, kailangan mong i-improve muna yung sarili mo sa ngayon kasi masyado nang nagkaroon ng mga delays. Okay, we have here the Two of Wands, the Two of Swords. Marami nang na-block na energy because of this. Okay? So, there. Yeah, maraming naapektuhan dito. Pamimera mo, pag-aaral mo if ever. Okay, wag ka muna dito, mag-aaral ka muna. Okay. Sa mga ganyang bagay. Career mo, routine mo, pwedeng nababago because of this. No? Maybe ikaw itong dati nakakapag-jogging pa every morning, pero ngayon hindi na kasi ikaw itong parang I'm so sad. I want my person back. Parang ganon. Ayoko na. Parang ganyan, no? So, maraming maapektuhan. Ikaw, sarili mo. So, let's see. Ano bang meron? Yeah, all signs are through Pisces. For you, Sag. Again, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And yung ating dalawang YouTube channel na sa description box below. Thank you. Aries. Hanging around, oh. Some of them, sabihin natin, still thinking of you. Di pa rin detach. Taurus, they're dropping you. Or maybe you have to drop this Taurus. Gemini, they have secrets. Some of them, they're lonely, sad. Cancer, oh no. The tower is dropping. The tower is sabihin natin. I don't know if this is talking about karma. Leo, they need you. Virgo, time waster. Libra, they're trying to avoid you. Or maybe you have to avoid this Libra. Scorpio, they're player. Sagittarius, they want long-term connection. If they want stability, or maybe they're focusing on their stability. Capricorn, focusing on their finances, their business, their career, whatsoever. Okay, pero yeah, they see you, or maybe you see this person, this Capricorn, na pwedeng magkaroon ng long-term connection with. Aquarius, gusto nila makipagayos. Or maybe ikaw sa kanya. Pisces, okay, third party involvement. So, yeah. Some of you kasi, itong Pisces na to, online lang kayo, nagkakausap. That's specific, okay? Pero, yeah, there's no label here. I think some of them, hindi pa rin kayo pwedeng, o hindi pa rin kayo mabibigyan ng, sabihin nating, label ni Pisces. Specific po yun, hindi yun para sa lahat. Okay, so there, yun ang aking reading for you, Sagittarius placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye!